I have witnessed on your power. Upon my life I glorify you. Some people, Lord, are telling me that to go to the witch doctors, that they treat me as I serve you. And I believe, Lord, you are the creator. You are the one who made me and that man. You are the one, Lord, who made all of us. I believe in you, Lord, and I trust you, Lord. I believe in you, Lord, and I trust you, Lord. You made the earth and the sky, Lord. You made the earth, that's why I create sky. You made the earth and the sky. I can't deserve to masters. I can't deserve to masters because you are the one who created us. I have to serve only you, the maker. You are my maker, Lord, I have to serve you. I will not serve the two masters. The Bible questions the world, can one serve two? The Bible question is very well whether one servant can serve two masters. No.